T-45 Goshawk specs. What is the T-45 Goshawk used for?
It's advanced.
Hidden training role.
Every elite naval aviator starts somewhere, before the aircraft carriers, before the combat missions, before the supersonic fighter jets. There is one aircraft standing between a student pilot and the unforgiving reality of naval aviation. An aircraft that has quietly shaped generations of US Navy and Marine Corps pilots. An aircraft capable of turning rookies into carrier-qualified aviators. Its name is the T-45 Goshawk. But what exactly is the T-45 Goshawk used for? And why does one of the world's most powerful navies trust this trainer with preparing future fighter pilots? The answer reveals a hidden role far more important than most people realize. Because without the T-45 Goshawk, many combat pilots would never make it to the flight deck, and the most dangerous part of its mission happens before pilots ever touch a frontline fighter. Naval aviation is different. Very different. Landing on an aircraft carrier is often compared to controlled chaos. The runway moves, weather changes rapidly, space is limited, mistakes can be fatal. For decades, the US Navy needed a trainer capable of preparing pilots for these challenges. That requirement eventually led to the development of the T-45 Goshawk. The T-45 Goshawk is derived from the British BAE Hawk trainer, but heavily modified for aircraft carrier operations. Its strengthened landing gear, tailhook system, and reinforced airframe transformed it into a true naval trainer. But carrier capability was only the beginning of the aircraft's mission. Imagine being a student pilot. You have spent months mastering basic flight skills. Then comes the ultimate challenge, landing on a carrier at sea, at night, in rough weather, with only seconds to react. This is where the T-45 proves its value. The T-45 is the primary advanced jet trainer used by the US Navy for carrier qualification training. Thousands of pilots have earned their carrier wings inside its cockpit. The aircraft serves as the final step before pilots transition to frontline combat aircraft. And the skills learned in the Goshawk may one day save lives in combat. The T-45 may be a trainer, but it performs like a serious military aircraft. The T-45 Goshawk can reach speeds exceeding 600 miles per hour and climb rapidly to training altitudes. Its performance allows student pilots to experience realistic jet operations. The aircraft teaches air combat maneuvering, formation flying, instrument procedures, carrier approaches, and tactical mission planning. Everything designed to prepare aviators for the next stage of their careers. Yet one hidden responsibility makes the Goshawk far more important than a typical trainer. So, what is the T-45 Goshawk used for? The answer is simple. It transforms students into naval aviators, but the deeper answer is far more impressive. The T-45 serves as the bridge between learning and combat, between theory and reality, between dreams and operational readiness. Without advanced jet trainers like the T-45, modern carrier aviation would struggle to produce combat-ready pilots efficiently. Its mission is invisible to many people, yet essential to naval power. The world's most important aircraft aren't always the most famous. Some shape history from behind the scenes. Want more hidden military aviation stories? More legendary aircraft secrets? More untold aerospace mysteries? Subscribe to Supersonic News right now. Like this video, share your thoughts below, turn on notifications, because the next aviation secret may be even more incredible than this one.